Hello friends, welcome to the Crypto Skill. Today we're diving deep into one of the biggest debates in the crypto world, centralized versus decentralized systems. By the end of this video, you'll understand their key differences, benefits, drawbacks, and which one is best for you. Let's get started. The crypto world is built on two fundamental models, centralized and decentralized systems. While both serve the same purpose, handling digital assets, their underlying mechanisms are vastly different. But before we compare them, let's first define them. What is a centralized system in crypto? A centralized system is controlled by a single entity or organization. Think of it like a traditional bank. When you deposit money, the bank manages your funds, processes transactions, and ensures security. In crypto, centralized exchanges and platforms operate in a similar way. Examples of centralized systems in crypto: centralized exchanges, CEXs, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. Centralized lending platforms, BlockFi, Nexo, stablecoins. Some are centralized: USDT, Tether, USDC. How centralized systems work. 1. Users create an account and deposit funds into the platform. The platform acts as a middleman, executing transactions and storing assets. It ensures security, customer support, and regulatory compliance. Advantages of centralized crypto systems: faster transactions. Since a central authority verifies transactions, they are processed quickly. User-friendly, centralized platforms have intuitive interfaces, making crypto easy to use for beginners. Customer support: if you forget your password or have an issue, customer service is available. Regulated and secure, many centralized platforms comply with regulations, offering protection against fraud. Disadvantages of centralized crypto systems: lack of control. The platform controls your funds, not you. If it shuts down, you might lose access. Vulnerability to hacks: centralized platforms are attractive targets for hackers. Censorship and regulations: transactions can be frozen or blocked due to legal restrictions. What is a decentralized system in crypto? A decentralized system has no single controlling authority. Instead, it operates on a distributed network of computers, nodes. This model aligns with the original vision of Bitcoin and blockchain technology, a financial system without intermediaries. Examples of decentralized systems in crypto: decentralized exchanges, DEXs, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap. Decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, Aave, MakerDAO, Compound. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. How decentralized systems work. 1. Transactions are verified by a distributed network, miners or validators. No single entity controls the network. Instead, blockchain consensus mechanisms, proof of work or proof of stake, ensure security. Users have full control over their assets through private wallets. Advantages of decentralized crypto systems: full control. You own your crypto without needing a third party. Censorship resistant: no government or organization can freeze your funds. More secure: since there's no central server, hacking is extremely difficult. Transparent: all transactions are recorded on a public ledger. Disadvantages of decentralized crypto systems: slower transactions. Decentralization requires consensus from multiple nodes, which can slow down processing times. Less user-friendly: managing private keys, smart contracts, and DeFi protocols can be complex for beginners. No customer support: if you lose your private key, your funds are gone forever. No one can recover them for you. Key differences: centralized versus decentralized crypto. Control: centralized platforms are owned by a company, while decentralized ones are community-run. Speed: centralized systems process transactions faster, while decentralized ones take longer due to network verification. Security: centralized platforms can be hacked, while decentralized systems are more secure due to distributed networks. Transparency: centralized transactions are private, while decentralized ones are recorded on a public ledger. User support: centralized platforms offer customer support, while decentralized ones do not. Regulation: centralized exchanges follow government regulations, while decentralized platforms operate independently. Privacy: centralized platforms require identity verification, KYC, while decentralized ones allow anonymous transactions. Which one is better? The choice between centralized and decentralized platforms depends on your needs. If you want convenience, fast transactions, and customer support use centralized platforms. If you want full control, security, and privacy, use decentralized platforms. Many crypto users combine both for a balanced experience. The future, hybrid systems. Some platforms are now blending the best of both centralized and decentralized models. Examples include Binance DEX, a decentralized exchange operated by Binance. DeFi protocols with centralized gateways. Platforms like Aave use decentralized lending but integrate centralized identity verification. As crypto evolves, we may see more hybrid solutions bridging the gap between the two models. Final thoughts: centralized crypto systems are great for beginners and those who prioritize speed and ease of use. Decentralized crypto systems are ideal for users who value security, privacy, and full control over their assets. What do you prefer? Centralized exchanges like Binance or decentralized platforms like Uniswap? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the Crypto Skill, and turn on notifications for more crypto insights. See you in the next video.